Hi traders, today I would like to discuss about Amazon, and our focus for today is trading option, strategizing on option, and this would be on a short-term basis, like we're talking about the weeklies. So right now we're looking on the daily right here. This is it, daily. It shows from this is about 6 months time frame, and we're just using the 20 moving average, 200 moving average, and the 50. Pretty much very simple technical analysis. I don't want to complicate my own technical analysis when I trade because I get confused. So this setup works for me. So whatever works for you, you stick with it. There's no right or wrong. The only thing that will tell you that you are wrong is not me or any other books. It is your brokerage statement. If you're not making money, then probably your strategizing is wrong. So let's go back to technical analysis on how I executed Amazon. So at first, I'll look on the daily right here. We can see here, this is a 200-day moving average ever since the mini pullback from high at 1964. This is about 1964 resistance right here. Pretty much it has been solidly back up and up. And then right here, as you can see, we are trending at higher low, higher high, irregardless that it's not closing at highs on this area right here in about 2 weeks frame. So I decided to long it because as you can see, prior to today's closing, there's a 3 candle right here, 3 greens, and now I would like to switch it for 30 minutes, my favorite time frame. This is my favorite time frame. Again, we're talking about option, and my option strategy execution for this trade is weeklies. So if you're using monthly, well, not sure this is applicable to you, but again, just want to highlight that because I always get a lot of feedback. What about this and that? Trading is very complex, more on options. There's so many ways you can execute a trade, and that's why I'm highlighting that this one is specifically for weeklies options right here. So my focus, every time I do for the weeklies, I just use 30 minutes and 10 days. And so pretty much right here, on the dip, I saw like 1928 pretty much hold up. Higher low from last Friday lows over here at 926. But again, I'm not so sure that's going to hold up, but I just did it because it has a catalyst, the prime day on the 15 and the 16. And I longed at the open almost like I longed the 1980 calls at 300, and here would be the execution right here. Here, this is just for right here. You can see I bought it at $3 for 300, and I sold it at 650. I net about 120% on the trade, and this is a demo account. And you know, when you do option weeklies, you have to be very careful because it's a lot easier to lose money and easy risk of 50% loss right here. So any feedback, I would appreciate it. Subscribe on my YouTube, so I'm going to be more enthusiastic to upload more videos, and feel free to ask me questions. Thanks.